Welcome to the new part of the exercises on astral development by Sar Dinoil. We move on to the breathing exercises, which are the basis for all experiments with clairvoyance, astral projection, telepathy, and other magical activities. List of sections of this lecture is as follows. The meaning of breathing, exercises to expand the chest and straighten the back, respiration mechanism, 3 types of breathing, preparatory exercises, full breathing, one-sided breathing, preparatory and main exercises, and the last one is various exercises. The first section is the meaning of breathing. We already know that respiration is, so to speak, the central function of our body. Breathing is associated, on the one hand, with the lower physiological processes of the body, like blood circulation, and on the other, with the higher ones, like activity of nerves. From this, it is clear that by subordinating breath to will and consciousness, we subordinate the whole organism to them. Therefore, breathing exercises are especially important. When we breathe in deeply, the pericardium expands and the heart fulfills its role better. Changing the position of the aorta and vena cava further improves blood circulation. The work of the digestive organs also improves, especially the separation of bile, the contents of pancreas, and the contraction of the intestines. But it is especially important for us that, as you know, in the lungs, thanks to respiration, the spoiled waste blood is purified and enriched with energy called prana and oxygen, and leaves in them various harmful substances like carbonic acid, thiomains, to be released. Through the activity of the heart, the blood carries oxygen and prana throughout the body. Most cultured people cannot breathe at all. The inhabitants of cities with spoiled air breathe especially weakly. But what is especially important for us is that these exercises generate in us a special modification of prana, the mysterious serpentine power of Kundalini, with the help of which most of the phenomena of interest to us are produced.